Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Scratch or peel the card carefully to reveal the 16-digit redemption code under the foil. Open the App Store or go to Settings and sign in with your Apple ID. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code and use the camera to scan or enter the 16-digit code manually. Confirm the Apple ID that will receive the balance and tap Redeem to add funds. The balance updates immediately and shows in your Apple ID account for purchases. Choose an app, subscription, accessory, or download and confirm the price shown at checkout. Your Apple ID balance is used first for App Store, iCloud, and Apple Store purchases. If the balance is insufficient, the remaining amount charges your default payment method on file. Subscriptions and in-app purchases draw from your Apple ID balance automatically until the balance is zero. Taxes and shipping are calculated at checkout and may apply to hardware. Family sharing does not share your Apple ID balance with family members, so each person must redeem their own code. You can buy and send Apple gift cards to others, but you cannot transfer an existing balance between Apple ID. Keep your receipt and the original card until the balance appears in your account. If a code fails or funds are missing, contact Apple support and provide proof of purchase for faster resolution and potential restoration of your balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.